हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर क्लास। आज हम पढ़ेंगे यूकैरियोटिक सेल के बारे में। एक ऐसी सेल जो कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है और जिसमें न्यूक्लियस प्रॉपरली डिफाइंड होता है। दिस टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक्स ऑफ लाइफ. I have taken this topic from Applied Physiology MSc first year. So what is eukaryotic cell? Explanation. Eukaryotic cells are complex cells with a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. They are found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. The word eukaryotic comes from Greek eu, true, karyon, nucleus, true nucleus. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, don't have a nucleus or organelles. Eukaryotes do. Means nucleus is seen. Fun fact, your body is made up of around 37 trillion eukaryotic cells. Next is major parts of a eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Semi-permeable membrane that protects the cell and controls movement of substances. Made of phospholipid bilayer. Second is cytoplasm. Jelly-like fluid inside the cell. Organelles are suspended in it. Means they are attached on it. Site for many metabolic reactions. Then nucleus. Control center of the cell. Nucleus is the main control center, that is like functions like brain. And nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear envelope with pores. Contains DNA in the form of chromatin. Chromatin fiber like structure. Inside the nucleus there is a nucleolus that makes ribosomes. Then comes mitochondria. As you know, the powerhouse of the cell. Produces ATP energy via cellular respiration. Then endoplasmic reticulum, that is ER. Rough ER and smooth ER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, make proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes, makes lipids and detoxifies. Then ribosomes, protein factories, can be free in cytoplasm or attached to ER. Golgi apparatus, post office of the cell. Modifies, sorts and packages proteins and lipids. Then lysosomes, mostly in animal cells, contains digestive enzymes to break down waste and worn out organelles. It acts like a vacuum cleaner. The ninth organelle is vacuole, stores food, water and waste. Large central vacuole in plant cells for structure and storage. 10th, centrosome and centrioles in animal cells, involved in cell division. 11th is chloroplast, only in plant cells. Site of photosynthesis, contains green pigment, that is chlorophyll. Then comes cell wall, present only in plants, fungi, some protists. Rigid structure outside the membrane, made of cellulose in plants, provides support and protection. Now for the knowledge, let's difference between plant and animal cells. Feature: cell wall, plant cell present cellulose, animal cell absent. Chloroplast, in plant cell it's present, in animal cell it is absent. Vacuole, large central vacuole in plant cell, small or absent in animal cell. Shape, usually plant cell will be usually rectangular and animal cell round or irregular. Then cell lysosomes, plant cell it's very rare, animal cell it's common, it's always present. Then centrosome without centrioles and animal cell with centrioles. Then part 4, cell organization. Cells don't work alone. In multicellular organism, they are organized like this. First, cell, basic unit of life, example muscle cell. Then comes tissue, group of similar cells, example muscle tissue. Cells makes tissue. Then many tissues, a group of tissues make organ. Organ, group of tissues working together, example heart, like organ. Then organ system, group of organs, example circulatory system. Then comes organism, complete living being, example human. Means cell, tissue, organ system and human. Let's jump to the conclusion now. That's it for today's class. You have just learned about the structure, function and organization of eukaryotic cells. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below what topic you want next. See you in the next video. Thank you.